Hello, my friends out there. Welcome to Fun Ashanti Tree. Hope you are learning the language so fast. Today, our lesson is about the time, telling the time. What says the time? Abossing. Abossing. If the time is 1 o'clock, the response will be Abodonko. Abodonko. Now, let's go over again. Abossing. Abossing. Abodonko. Abodonko. It is 1 o'clock. Abodonko. Abodonko. Now, assuming you want to say it is 2 o'clock. Abo non mienu. Abo non mienu. Abo non mienu. 2 o'clock. We will continue next week on the same note. But let's ask Abossing. What says the time? Abossing. What says the time? Abodonko. It is 1 o'clock. Abodonko. It is 1 o'clock. Abononmienu. Abononmienu. Good. We will stop here. Next week, we will continue. See you. But remember, we have Zoom lessons on Saturdays, 1:30 US time. Join us. See you. Bye.